Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. I'm Sasha, the executive assistant to the CEO at HireUA, and today we're excited to have another success story with our client. We had the pleasure of helping talented professional and secure remote jobs. And today we will speak with one of them. It's Lana. Thank you for joining us today. Could you please start telling about yourself, about the position, and about the way you went through with us?
Okay, thanks you. Thank you for having me. My name is Lana. I come from Novi Sad, Serbia, and I am working as a graphic designer. Hire UA helped me find my job. This is actually the second job that they have found me. It's been a really great process. So I'm working for a digital marketing agency based in US, and I am creating posts for social media. I am doing all sorts of branding materials, marketing assets. Most of the time I'm working in Canva, Adobe Photoshop, and Illustrator. So that would be it.
Thank you. So, where were you before we placed you? Like, you had another job. How everything finished? Like, why you started looking for another place?
I was working actually in the office in Serbia, and it took a lot of my time. I was looking for a remote position. So your colleague from Hire UA contacted me and offered me a really great position. So I started to work. I wasn't satisfied how I was treated here in the company. And they wanted of me to do all sorts of things, not just to be a designer. They made me stay overtime, work on weekends. So it was the best for me to find a job remotely.
Definitely. So, how long did you look for a job? Like before we texted you?
Actually, I was looking for a job for maybe 4 or 5 months. It was really tough because there were no openings like in my country. So
Mhm.
I was really happy when they have contacted me with a job opportunity.
What was the biggest challenge in landing a remote job? Like because you told me that it was like 5 months, so probably
Uh,
some was ups and downs during this journey.
I actually didn't know on which platform to look for a job.
Mhm.
I was like a lot of times on LinkedIn, like the I'm sorry. Like in Serbia, I don't have a lot of options. It's mostly for office jobs. And I was looking on LinkedIn. I was looking for other platforms for finding a job, but there wasn't a lot of companies that hire from my country, actually.
And is it hard to look by yourself, like on
It,
LinkedIn or
it
other?
is really hard.
So what was the hardest part of that? Like applying or waiting for the response
Well,
or
waiting for the response, applying. I didn't know how to prepare for the interview quite well. That's why working with Hire UA, they always prepare me and help me through the process.
is I'm happy to hear that we helped you and you felt comfortable with that. What do you remember the moment that you maybe feel unsure, like stuck of looking for a job? I mean, like because most of the people after 1, 2 months they're like, oh my gosh, I will never find this job.
Yes, I thought that I'm never gonna find a job. I was already thinking, should I change my career? Why is this so hard? Most of the times, even when I applied, I had an interview, they didn't give me any feedback. So just waiting was also really bad because I didn't know what was happening, what went wrong.
I
That
think
that's
in general in Europe the process of hiring is getting like longer in general. It's taking months sometimes when they want to hire, like all these steps. I hear a lot of stories of people saying, "Oh, they give me feedback after 3 months or something like that." Like,
yes. Sometimes even they don't give you a feedback. Sometimes it's after a long time. The recruitment process is really hard. It's sometimes like 3 or 4 steps
mhm.
within interviews. So
What was it different about how we approach your placement compared to that when you're applying by yourself?
the first time that someone from your company contacted me, they saw my LinkedIn, they really understood what I'm looking for, and it was really a great match that they made. They told me about the client first. I had an interview with your colleague to see if I'm a good fit for the job. It was really fast and easy, and I got a feedback almost immediately. Am I a good fit or not? Also, like, they found the perfect match with me and the clients the
Nice.
first and the second time.
Mm-hmm. And what was your experience working with us, with our team? Communication, like you told me that feedback was good, but in general, through the process. By the way,
It
how
was
long did
really it was really smooth and easy. The team was super supportive and clear throughout the entire recruitment and interview process. They kept me updated at every step, helped me prepare, made sure that I felt confident going into interviews. Like both times, they understood what kind of work I was looking for. They matched me with great clients. It's been a great experience overall.
Mm-hmm. And what about the process? How long it took for you to get from the first interview with us to the getting the role?
I think that it was in maybe less than a week for both clients.
Great. And well, how many steps did you have through recruitment?
I had the first step with your company, and then the second with the client.
Okay.
And that was
And tell me more about your role. You told me what are you doing on your role, but tell me more about your position, how flexible you are working with your client.
okay. So I am actually turning visuals into. I'm turning ideas into visuals. I'm working as a graphic designer. I create branding materials, post for social media, also all types of marketing materials. Sometimes I create presentations, worksheets. It's a really interesting and nice job. I really enjoy doing it. My client is really flexible. I don't have working hours because she's based in US. So she gives me the freedom to choose when I will work. But I am always available to her because she is so nice to me. The job had a really positive impact on my life because working remotely with flexible hours helped me find a better work-life balance. I am more productive like this. Usually, I work in the morning, and by the time that my client starts her working day, I am almost done with everything, and then I wait for her feedback.
Great. Wow. That's amazing. And probably after that, you're like free. So you
Yes, yes,
can,
I can enjoy my day.
yeah. What's something unexpected that came from landing this job?
Something unexpected.
You
Uh,
probably you had some expectations about remote job. Maybe something that you didn't expect came together with remote job.
yes, I didn't expect that I will have flexible working hours. I had it also with my first client because the clients are based in US, and that was a great thing that they gave me freedom to choose when I want to work. The
Mhm.
communication is really easy with them also. I didn't expect that. I feel relaxed and I enjoy working with them.
Wow, great. Um, One last question about you. What would you tell someone like you yourself before you landed this role?
Before I landed this job, I would say to me to not give up, to not doubt myself, because something great will come along. Uh, it can be tough through the entire process, but your company has found me, so it all turned out well.
Thank
And
you.
just don't give up and don't feel bad, and it
Yeah.
will come along.
Yeah, sometimes you need to wait a little bit more to get what you want.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
to have a great thing. So
Would you recommend Hiru to other people who's looking for
yes,
a
I
job?
would definitely recommend working with Hire UA. They really took time to understand your skills and what kind of role you're looking for. That makes a big difference. They've matched me with amazing clients. The process was easy, well organized. I always felt supported and informed. And that's something that you don't always get with the recruiters. It's clear that they care about finding the right fit for both sides.
Lana, thank you so much for your feedback and for sharing your journey today with us. It's really inspiring to see how happy you are right now, like with what you want.
I am really.
And I
I
wish
will
you all the great things, the success in your career with this client.
so much.
Thank you for your time today.
Thank you.